Hey, hi, what's going on? My name's Tash. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. Oh my god! Look at this! I got the brand new Jeffree Star Pink Religion makeup palette. Lord above, if you didn't know already, I absolutely love the color pink. It is hands down my favorite color. It's always a go-to look for me as well, just doing like a pink look. I don't know why I find a lot of comfort in going for really bright, bold pink. So the fact that he released this gorgeous palette just means that I now have something really fun to play with. And if you haven't seen it already, which I'm sure you have, the color story, Lord, save me from myself. Looking at this right now, I just have no idea where to even begin. I just want to put it all on my face, all of it. But I'm not going to do that because I'm gonna do like a nice eye look on camera here, but I really don't even know where to begin. This is so perfect, so beautiful. And I can do this. Fuck yeah. I don't know why it's like when you get a brand new canvas and you open the back. Love it. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna dive right in. Okay, so a lot of these are really, really bright. There isn't much in the way of darkness apart from these two down here. And I guess Beauty Killer, it's a bit darker as well. I think what I might do is just a nice cut crease, something easy to do. Oh, fuck. So I'm gonna touch a couple of these and sort of see what we're thinking. Oh, I'm very excited. I got nice clean fingers. I'm gonna go in with Strawberry Youth. We're gonna go Diva, Jeffree's World, and ooh, let's go with Fashion Faith. Strawberry Youth on the palm. Beautiful, gorgeous, love that. That is a really nice, bright but light. Then we have Diva. That's a really awesome magenta. The two together, kind of the same darkness, just a different tone. And then we're going to go down with Jeffree's World. Ooh, it's a very bright purple. I do enjoy that. That's quite nice. And then we're going to go with Fashion Faith. Okay. These look a little darker on my finger compared to, it's like the other way around, but yeah, that's oh well, everything registers differently on the skin. Kind of hoping that will get me a little bit more inspired, but I'm sure it will come to me. Now, as this is a pressed pigment palette, I've got to make sure that I put enough primer on my eye before I start, just so it can grab and blend the color a little better. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. All right, so what I'm thinking of doing is a nice pink and purple look, probably just a really beautiful soft glam cut crease. So I'm going to dip into the shade, let's go Lollipop Luxury. Just gonna pop that all up top here. Then I'm gonna blend it out with Saint Star. Okay, then I think I'm gonna darken it just with Beauty Killer here. Wow. I'm not sure how this is reading on camera, but in person, magenta AF. Oh, I love how that looks. Ah! I'm just gonna get a smaller fluffy brush and just kind of like blend out between Beauty Killer and Strawberry Youth. These colors are blending beautifully. I am having a really good time just being able to work this on my skin right now. Okay, now I'm gonna kind of go for like a nice blended cut crease here from dark mulberry, kind of like a blood wine almost. And I'm going to blend it from that into purple. So we're going to go from pink up top, purple into the center. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some micellar water and just remove the portion where I'm going to put my cut crease, just because these pinks are so pink that if I use a white concealer, my concealer is just going to turn pink. Okay, that ought to do it. I'm going to use my e.l.f. camo concealer in white. Just going to use a smaller brush just with a bit of white concealer just to kind of diffuse back here, make it a little more blendable. I'm going to go back in with our handbag queen and just press that back onto where I've smudged. And then working quickly while my eye is still wet, I'm going to start bringing in, just blocking in the purples. Just going to go in with Fashion Faith. On the flip side, I'm going to go for Jeffree's World. Whew, whew, that's bright. Oh my god, there's like a neon. See, this is why I don't like swatches. It's one color on the hand, it's one texture on the hand, but on the eye with a decent priming. Clean flat brush. I'm going to go into Pink Fever here. Now using a small fluffy, I'm going to pick up Frosting Cult and just press that into the last remaining bit of white. Oh my god, that is bright. Okay, now that I've packed on all of those colors, I'm going to start the blend. Now I keep looking at Princess Crown. It is such a beautiful color. I'm just gonna stick it on my highlighting points just so I can see. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can see it in literally every light. Like from here I can see it. There. It's got like a gold and silver as well. Like there is every color you could probably need in that. Oh, stunning. Oh my god. Right, now I'm going to do some color under the eyes here. I don't really know what I'm going to do. I might just go in just straight with Sugar Savior here. Pop a bit on like a little pencil brush and then just pack it in underneath. I'm going to go in with Dollhouse Lane. Brilliant. I'm just going to blend it out using that same little pencil brush. Oh my god, I love that. I'm going to put a white liner in there for sure. So I've just got a bit of micellar water just on this little brush. Just gonna tap off any excess into a cloth and try and like draw it off. Oh yeah, brilliant. Can't really tell on camera, but in person it's just removed all of that pink so that when I do lay down a white liner, it's not gonna soak up the color underneath and turn it pink. Now using that same Fenty waterliner, I'm just gonna grab a flat brush, take some of that off there, and I'm just gonna brush it on my lower lash line, the lower lashes. And back in with the wet liner. I'm just gonna pop a bit of glitter liner just on the cut crease, just for a bit of added interest. Awesome, that's nice, big, thick glitter liner on there, just kind of make it a little bit more sparkly. Now I've messed up just a touch, and there's a bit of primer that's kind of caught a bit of color and stuff, and it just looks a little bit wrong. So I'm just gonna glue something on it. Okay, that is it for this particular eye. I'm just going to go off camera and do my lashes and everything, and then I'm going to finish this eye and I'm going to give you guys the final look. Alrighty guys, that does it for this look here. I'm absolutely in love. I love how bright these pinks and purples are, and it just kind of blended so perfectly for me. It was completely effortless. I've gone in with the shades Candy Cathedral on my nose. I just got the tiniest little bit and just pressed it onto my nose and then kind of blended it around with my finger. And it looks stunning. I slapped a little white love heart on there just because I felt like really cute, and I feel like this really kind of adds to the look. And then I used Lollipop Luxury as a blush just to kind of pinken the cheeks up just a little bit more, just to kind of match the energy. It was feeling pretty flat. And then obviously highlighted with Princess Crown, which, can we please? Oh my god, it is so bright, so stunning, and when the light isn't hitting it, it doesn't leave like a pink color, which is what I love. It's completely sheer until the light hits it, and that's exactly what I wanted out of this color. Like, oh my god. Everything about this palette I absolutely love. Thank you so much, Jeffree Star, for making a really incredible palette. Like, this is literally everything I could have ever asked for. This is dope. Like, the amount of people that are gonna come into my house are gonna be like, Tash, whoa, and I'm gonna be like, dude, check this out. So good. So anyway, it's enough rambling about how much I love that palette, because I will continue to go on. If you give me the chance, I will continue to go on. Thanks again for joining me on today's video. I really appreciate you guys sticking around. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear it. Negative, positive, give it all to me. I want to hear it all. Thanks again, I guess. And I will see you guys in the next journey. Cheers.